Hello everyone, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and my craft table. And if you're new here, I'm so glad to meet you. Okay, so today's video is a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a Lawn Fawn haul. I just purchased a bunch of stamps and dies from Lawn Fawn. I like to make a bunch of cards for friends and family, as well as some of the organizations that I donate cards to. So let's go ahead and open these up, and then we'll just take a look and see what these are. And these will be coming to the channel in future projects. Okay, so first things first is their packaging is a really nice bubble envelope to protect your dies and stamps. And it's just so cute, has the little Lawn Fawn emblem on it. Okay, we brought all this out here. These are actually pattern paper samples. So this is just something that they just sent in the packaging, not something that I ordered. Wow, thank you, Lawn Fawn. This is really nice. I love pattern paper. I need to use more of my stash, and this is going to be a great addition. I really like the hearts. These are cute. Look at the sunshine on those. Those are fun. And then the back side here, these are these little grid papers. So those are really fun too. These would be great for masculine cards. Those off to the side. So then it comes packaged. Here's all my ones that are packaged. Here's a little, thank you so much, Jen. Love, Catherine. Oh, look at that. Made with love. That would be a great addition to the back of my cards. This is a little stamp. That would be fantastic. I normally just put these little print and cut stickers on the back of my cards, but this would be cute to put with it. I love that. Again, thank you, Lawn Fawn. This is really, really sweet. Fantastic. This is actually my first time ordering directly from the company, because the few stamps and dies that I have from Lawn Fawn, I've gotten in the past from like scrapbook.com or Simon Says Stamp. So I'm really excited to order from them directly. Wow, little gifts I didn't know. So let's go through what I purchased. Let me get these set in order with the stamps and the dies so we can go through them together. This one, and I actually started to put the stamps and dies together in the little package, so then I decided to stop doing that and just show you them separately. But basically this one is called Winter Sparrows, and it says Seasons Tweetings. So you've got the three little birds, you have a music note, a leaf, and a twig. How cute. I cannot wait to work with that one. And I did get the coordinating die. So here on the back, okay, I just stuck that back in here on the back side of the packaging. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab all of my little 5x5 little envelopes that I got from scrapbook.com, and I'll be placing all of these in their own pocket. So I think that will be a great way to keep them together. Here's another one, and this is There's Snow One Like You, and it's two little critters. It looks like a bunny and a bear, and we've got our snowflakes, and they're like on a little sled. And again, I did get the coordinating die to go with that. So I have Sending Hedgehogs. This has a little heart. It has a couple of hedgehogs. Then it says Sending Hedge Hugs. So that's super punny. I love it. And then the coordinating dies to go with that. Lawn Fawn has the greatest puns ever. Their images are cute, they're fun to color, they're whimsical, they're great for adults and kids alike. They're very creative, and quite frankly, they just crack me up. Here is another one. This is called I Like You a Lottle. So this is an axolotl. It's a Mexican salamander. They're so cute. And then this says I like you a lottle, or you could do thanks a lottle. We've got bubbles. We have like the little water greenery here, and then a heart, and of course the coordinating dies to go with that. Okay, the next one I have, it is called Year 9. So apparently every year on their birthday, Lawn Fawn puts out a new little stamp set. And they have Year 1, and I believe this most recent one was Year 15. So I think I'm going to try and go back and see if they still have all of the other years, because I think that would be a fun collection to have. But it's got a taco with a candle, the face, the cheeks, the confetti, party hat, an exclamation point, And then it says, let's talk about, and then it says your birthday, or let's talk about it. So cute. I cannot wait to make this too. Actually, I can't wait to make all of them, but this is going to be so fun. Okay, I also have, this was that larger one that came out of the package. It's called Happy Trails. So I've got a camper and a car, some little, well, these could be flowers or they could be little puffs from the car. You've got an exclamation point, 2 different trees and hearts. It has the road lines, and then it says Happy Trails, and it says You Drive Me Wild. And then I've got the coordinating dies for that. This is right up my alley. All of this hiking, camping stuff is amazing. That would make a cute card for my husband, I think. Okay, next I have this one. It's called Year 15. So we have Year 9, which was the taco, and then this one is the Year 15. This is Hey QT, and then Let's Party, so TEA. It's got hearts, it's got 2 different faces. These are the cheeks. Happy birthday to my bestie, and then here's the little boba tea cup. But I don't really like boba tea, my daughter does, but at the same time those could be ice cubes too. So lots of ways to use this stamp and die set, and I do have the coordinating die for that. Okay, the next one here I have is, it's called Llama Tell You. So Llama Tell You, and then here it says how much I like you. We've got a heart, we've got a bubble, and we've got the llama. So cute, I love those little legs. And then here we have the little speech bubble die and the llama die. Okay, next up we have this one here. It's a sloth and he's sleeping. It says, I like naps. That's the title, but it says here, I like you more than naps. Then we've got the little Z and the leaf. This is so cute. I just think that is so fun. And the coordinating die to go with that. And it does have a die for the double leaf. This particular die here is the one that prompted the entire haul, because about a week and a half ago, I made a card for my bestie's daughter. She loves sloths. And so I had bought a sloth set. So this is called Hang in There. It's got a sloth that's hanging, some leaves, party hat, heart, and then it's got happy birthday, hang in there, take it easy, belated, sorry I'm slow, hello. It has an exclamation point and parentheses. And I thought this was so cute, and I made her a really cute little card that will be coming to the channel shortly. And so I got the coordinating dies for that. And I also got these stitched hillside dies. So these are the stitched hillside borders. And I used these 3 to make a really cute little sloth card. You're gonna really enjoy that. I also paired these with some elements that I made using my Cricut, and it was just the funnest shaker card ever. So that video will be coming to the channel very soon. And because of the sloths, that prompted all of this Lawn Fawn haul. Now I have had some in my stash that I actually haven't really used very much, but I just wanted to show them to you. So this one is called Get Well Soon, okay? And I do have the coordinating dies for this. This is so fun. This is fun to make, and I have the coordinating dies for that, and I've actually already cut them out. So this one I have used in the past. This one I made a card around Valentine's Day with this one. It doesn't have coordinating dies, so I did something a little different, and that video was back in February, so I can link that for you as well. But it was super fun to do, and it just came out so cute. So this is called Be Mine. And then this one, I have made this one for my husband last year, and I think this was my very first Lawn Fawn stamp set ever. It's called Stud Puffin, and it says, to my stud puffin, sending love. It's got a fish and has hearts and 2 Arctic puffins. And then I have the coordinating dies to go with it. I have done a little bit with Lawn Fawn stamps, and they are fun, and I just really enjoy them. So I thought, why not just go ahead and get quite a few and have fun creating so many things. So with all of that being said, this big haul here is going to be coming to the channel little by little this summer, and I hope that you enjoy those videos. But until then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until I see you in the next Carter Craft, as always, have an amazing day and happy crafting.
Thank you all so much for watching today. I'm so glad that you can join me at my craft table. If you're not already, I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you'll know when new videos arrive. Have a great day, and as always, happy crafting.